Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing something which just arrived this morning. Ta-da! This just arrived. So let's get into it. Right. So this is actually from PLEXTONE. So for those of you who actually watched my previous video, you will know that PLEXTONE is also the same company which actually sent me the G5 wireless Bluetooth gaming headphones, and this is actually their gaming earbuds, or you could say it's a gaming earphone. So the name is called 4Game. It's rated to have a 40 millisecond low latency. It's meant for game and music. It uses touch control, and this is how it looks like inside. So let's get into it, shall we? Right, so the packaging is really simple, very minimalist. So what you have is this black box with a plastic cover, and then inside you will see actually case and the two earbuds. The charging cable is actually a USB-A to micro USB, some instruction manual in multiple languages. Besides that, there are 1 year warranty. You fill out the details here and then let them know, and then you get your warranty of 1 year. Right, you have the box here, the main character, warranty card, and instruction manual are here. Let's put all this aside and then we get into the main thing. Okay, so let's open up the lid. I got the casing. Looks very futuristic. It looks like Warhammer. So the entire thing is made of, it's like a rubberized plastic. It's pretty light. Okay, some details here. You can see some rivets here. The whole thing is matte finishing, so you don't need to worry about fingerprints and what's not. So at the back of the case, you'll see this is the micro USB port, and then the 4 lights above is probably to indicate the battery. We'll get it tested out later. Open up. So this is where earbuds will go in. Got the earbuds. So you can see the design here. It's pretty similar to Apple AirPods. So these are on ears. That means they're like semi-in ears. They do not even semi-in ears. They just stay right outside of the ear canal, right? Just like the regular AirPods. And then very nice design on the stamp here. And then you see 2 holes here. These are probably for the power indicator. Pogo pins are here, so it indicate left and right. So let's put them in. So this LED light, it will light up in red to probably signify that it's actually charging. You close, you see the back, you see the 4 LED lights. It's around 75% to 50% charged. Okay, so red LED light, and then this is still in pairing mode. Alright, so I have with me here is my own iPhone 12. Okay, so I'll go into the Bluetooth and then I'll open it up. So let me take out the earbuds. The BT would refer to the 4Game. So let's see how the control works. Let's go into Spotify. Is at maximum volume now. Not too sure if I can pick this up. This is at 100% volume. Not bad. Wow, the volume output is really loud. I think it's one of the loudest I've seen thus far. Okay, so let's see some of the controls and see if it works. Alright, there'll be a ding dong. I think this is to signify start of the gaming mode. Alright, if it has a downtone toot, it means they have successfully deactivated the gaming mode. So far so good. So let's try the power down and power on, which is a long press of 3 to 5 seconds. Alright, so you'll hear a doo-doo-doo-doo, and that would mean power down. Let's try power on, long press of 3 to 5 seconds. Alright, so you see power on again. So when it's power on, you'll hear a doo-doo-doo-doo. One thing to take note from my initial impression, I'll pause the music here, is that when you power down, it will actually power off both sides of the earbuds. But when it comes to power on, you have to power on them individually. So this is something to take note, and let's see if you can actually use them in individual mode. I'm going to wear the left side. Don't want myself to go deaf. The audio is really loud. So I'm going to put this back right to right. Okay. Alright, it works. Just to take a momentary lapse there. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the right side. Okay, it connects back. Okay, immediately it powers on, but I'm going to put back the left. Let's see if it works both ways. Music still going on my right side. So you can see here too, this is actually my first impression, and I'm just going to do one last thing. I'm going to put my phone away. I'm going to try to see what happens when we charge this fella up. Right, so I have with me here is my all-in-one. So I have a micro USB charger here. I'm going to plug it in. You can see the fourth light blinking. Right, this will signify that it's actually charging. So the first three lights are solid, the fourth light is actually blinking. So this has actually been my unboxing of the PLEXTONE 4Game wireless gaming earphones. My first impression and the initial connection has been good. So I'll be putting this to the test over the next couple of days just to see how is it like. There you have it. Thank you for your time, guys. Bye bye.